Boom.
All right, everybody, welcome to RDR Sports Cards. It is Friday, July 3rd. We are here doing a live personal break for TommyB. We've got one box of Panini Preferred Basketball 2014-15. I'm going to go ahead and get it open. We are looking for some Prime Silhouettes. Prime booklet. One of ones.
We got a 30-minute call, last call for orders going out today.
Get your orders in if you want it shipped today. Anything purchased between now and noon Central Time will go out today. All right. Playbook. Autos. Empty box.
All right.
Let's go.
Get you that Prime.
Alright, so I have to be cautious with this one because it is a points card. 600 points. This is just the QR code for the app. I'm not revealing anything. This just downloads the app. 600 points.
Hopefully one day they don't change that.
Yeah. This one definitely feels like a silhouette. Let's hope for Prime. Come on, foil. Foil's giving me a hard time. There we go. All right, we got a Silhouettes Andre Drummond.
Nice.
31 out of 35. Detroit Pistons. Come on, focus. It just doesn't want to focus up close. There we go. 31 out of 35. Nice. Andre Drummond, Silhouettes.
A little silhouette action, all right.
All right, next auto.
130 now.
Ooh, Kevin Martin. One of one.
One of one.
Black Crown Royal Auto. One of one. You can't even see his name, Kevin Martin.
I saw T-Wolves too, and I thought, oh man.
One of one.
One of one, though. That is still awesome.
Yeah.
Still sweet though.
All right, and your playbook. All right, this is the Chris Bosh Game 2 Finals, Miami Heat versus San Antonio Spurs. Chris Bosh, Miami Heat.
Nice.
Was worn by Chris Bosh in Game 2 of the NBA Finals and is guaranteed by Panini. This is numbered 88 out of 99. Finals booklet.
Didn't get you a Prime patch, but we did pull you a one-on-one auto, and you got some points. All in all, I mean, I would take that box.
The silhouette was still numbered to 35.
And the silhouette, yeah.
It wasn't.
All right, let me get you
too bad.